Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on Huawei MatePad 12X. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. And now you have to search the word test using your custom search engine. And then you have to copy your link. Now go to settings and click on search engine. Then select custom, and here you have to name your search engine. And then in this field you have to paste your URL. And you have to replace the word test with %s, and then click on this check mark. And as you can see, now I can select my custom search engine as my default search engine. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.